Alright, what's up everybody? So, we have another video today. This one's an exciting one. It's a goal that I've had for a while, and I'm happy to be able to be a part of it. So, we are going to Weekfest, New Jersey, which is about an hour and a half away from here. Right now it's about 9:30. Our roll-in time is 11. So, I'm getting everything ready to go. We're packing up, and then I'm going to start heading out. So, yeah, I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. I know there's a Weekfest in Cali, and I know there's another one in Japan, and it's one of the best shows that we have in this area. So I'm very excited to have the car in the show. I'm very excited to be a part of it. And yeah, so I'll update you guys once we're over there. For now, I'm going to get the car ready, and we're going to go. Oh yeah.
Second place, best of show, second place car of the festival goes to a 1997 Toyota Supra owned by Carlos Morales. That white Supra over there in the corner. Beautiful build.
Just want to say thank you guys very much. It's been a great day. The attitude was great. The environment was great. I think everybody had a good time. We had a good time. So thank you very much. If you had to take a guess who got best of show, what would you guys say? Well, surprise. This award goes to a 1994 BMW M3. Owned by Nelson Alves from LTO. Wait. Thank you guys again very much.
actually see them actually moving and everything, and you hear them circulating with bad shit. So like, hey, when you see this shit, it's like you know they work. Like, you know what I mean? They're real cars, not just some shit they put on the trailer, fucking jagged over.
Turn right onto Sunfield Avenue.
Alright, that is going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you guys for coming along with me to WeekFest East. It was a amazing experience. So we are home. We just made it back from the show. My camera battery died, so I had to wait to get home to charge it so that I could film this outro. But I just wanted to say I had a great time. I'm super appreciative for being a part of the show, for being accepted into the show, and for the entire community that came out and saw the car, talked to me, and you know, just made the event a great one. I saw a lot of old friends from the past events that I've been to, and a lot of people from the community that I've met throughout this time. And I also met a lot of great people, new 86 owners. I just wanted to say thank you to all of you that support me, and to the organizers of WeekFest for allowing me to be a part of the show, for accepting my car, and for seeing the dedication and the work that I put into it. So yeah, I'm just truly grateful for being a part of all of it and to be accepted. It was a goal of mine this season to get that car into WeekFest because of the quality and the level of quality that is accepted into that show. I thought you know, that would be a great goal to set for myself, and we did it. So again, I just want to say thank you to all of you for supporting me, to the people at WeekFest for allowing me to display my car, and yeah, this year was great. Next year will be better though. So with that, I'll close this video out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. I think like 90% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribers, so if you do like my content, just hit that subscribe button and you'll get more of it. I'll catch you guys next time, and I think that's really it. All right, peace.